Hello, this is Ripon Chapel back with another video, and in today's video we will discuss about some security things of your WordPress website. So this is my homepage. Right now we can see the security we'll discuss about today is if someone tries to after your website, if someone tries to add /wp admin, then it will redirect to your login page. Means right now I'm logged in, so it is redirecting to my backend dashboard. But if I go to the incognito mode, incognito mode and paste the same URL, my website, then /wp-admin, if I click enter, then it will redirect me into the login page. So the hacker or anyone will able to guess your name or whatever you have gave here with the username and password. They can try to hack your website username or email address or password. Na? So today we'll see that if someone try the wp admin or wp-login.php, then this URL will redirected to 404 and you will made your custom URL for the login info here, as you can see here. So suppose if you try with like some login, some dash login, if you make your URL like this, then after clicking enter or press the enter button, you will be redirected to your login page. Only you will know that, no other people can know that. So something like this will happen. So if I go here in my backend and I will install a plugin for this, I will go to the plugins and click on add new, add plugins, and I will type here WPS Hide Login. Okay. So as you can see, this one is made by Remy Pirona, and it is having more than 1 million active installation. So you see how popular is this one. So we'll click on install now button. And obviously we need to activate this plugin. So after that you will go on here and then you need to click on the settings button, or from the settings you can go to the WPS Hide Login. So I'll click on the settings button here and you will redirect me in here, and the login URL is this right now. So if you type this, then the login URL will be like this. But no, you want to change this login URL because the hacker might type this or that. Na? So you want to change it into completely another one. So if you want to change it like something, okay, howdy guys, okay, and the other URL that will be prevented as 404 page, as you can see here. If someone tries to access with the wp-login.php or /wp-admin, then it will be redirected to the 404 page. So if I click on save changes button now, and right now I need to go in incognito mode, and if I paste it, then you will see it has gone to the 404. But if you try now with this URL, that howdy guys, so if I try it here, howdy guys, then boom, you have made your custom login URL here for the security purpose of your WordPress website. So this way you can make your login URL more secure with some more keyword here that you want to set. So thank you guys, hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. See you in your next video. Till then, bye.